Welcome to this review and unboxing of the Kryptonite Kryptolok bicycle lock. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Now this appears to be similar to the Series 2 lock. I did a review on that as well, and I put a link in the video description below so you can take a look at that. Now there seems to be changes to it. As you can see, right over here it has a double shackle. The Series 2 had one shackle here and a bent foot design. So there is changes made, and as you can see over here, there used to be covered, there was a piece that went over. Instead of that, they just put this right here. So there's the keyhole, and when you lock the lock, you just put the cover on to prevent debris and water from entering, especially if the lock is used outdoors. Yeah, so it's the same thickness as the Series 2. Comes with a $1,750 anti-theft offer. Okay, so let's open the packaging. Okay, so that comes right off. Okay, so right here is the mount to mount the lock onto the bicycle. So that looks the same as the other one. I also did a bicycle mounting video, and I put a link in the description below so you can take a look at that to show you how to mount the lock. Okay, here's the anti-theft protection offer and the manual. Also, right over here you have a tool to mount the lock that they include. The key is mounted with cable ties on the shackle, so I'm going to remove that. Now the key looks like it went back to the flat surface edge. Yeah, this is the key to the Series 2. Now before this key I had another lock with a longer shackle that had a flat edge design like the one that this lock comes to. So I don't know if there's a difference between the two, if the flat edge or the pointed edge has any difference in security. But regardless, that's the key that this lock comes with. And of course, it comes with two keys. Okay, so let's open the lock and see how it functions. So let's open the cover, insert the key. So as you can see, this has two shackles. You can see, there's two locking mechanisms over here. The other one only had one locking mechanism, but instead of the locking mechanism, it had a bent foot. So this is just a different security feature that it has. Okay, so I'm going to lock it. And after the lock is locked, you can close the cover like so. And that's it. So the changes that were made to the Series 2 with a double shackle and the cover, which is a much smaller latch to the side, center slide like so. It has this additional piece that they mounted on. So there you go. This was a review and unboxing of the Kryptonite Kryptolok lock. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.